Okay, the way we solve these is the same as the way we solve equations. Put our lines going down. And what we've got to do, we've got x on both sides, and whenever you have x on both sides, you find the side with the smallest amount of x's, which is the right hand side, and you take that away from both sides. This isn't the only way of doing it, it's just by far the easiest. So 7x take away 4x is 3x, and I haven't really done anything else with anything else, so just fill those in. Now don't forget to put that greater than sign instead of an equal sign. Okay, then we're going to take away the 8 from both sides, just as we would do with an equation. And so 23 take away 8, which is going to be 15. And then we're going to divide 3 both sides. So x is greater than 5. Now it's really, really tempting to put an equal sign in because you've practiced this so much with an equal sign. So always just check your answer, check it's the same sign, because there have been some exams in the past where you got 0 marks if it was an equal sign, even if you got the correct answer apart from the sign.